Chris, and I'm back with another video. If you're new, thanks for stopping by, and if you're not, welcome back. So guys, I'm back with another vloggy, and it's my favorite time to vlog. Maintenance vlog. Y'all know I love me some maintenance, y'all. We just getting it all done, and it's not gonna all be today because that's just crazy. I'm not gonna even rip and run around Houston like that, but we are starting it today. So we are getting our spring maintenance, lashes, nails, toes, a good pedicure, a good wax, all that. I'm not getting my hair done because I already have my hair done and I don't feel like changing it. So I'm not doing the hair up, but we're getting all the essentials done. I'm too excited. I haven't done maintenance, or not even maintenance. I haven't had my lashes done in so long, like since my birthday. It's been too long. And y'all, so about the wax, I've only waxed myself. I've never been to a professional, like, you know, all the salons I went out. I won't even say professional, so say me. But yeah, we're gonna try that today. So that'll be the first time doing it. We're gonna see how that goes. And then I'm getting my nails done. It's this girl at my school who just started doing nails, or just started like posting about it. So I want to go to her as like a model, but also just to support, because I love supporting, you know, new people on their entrepreneurship journeys. Like, why not? So we're gonna do that. And then y'all, like, it's 11:30 right now or something. No, it's 11 something, right? Yeah, it's 11:30. My nail appointment is at 1. But y'all, I just woke up because why was I up till 3 o'clock last night in the morning? And y'all know me. Y'all know I don't even go out like that. But I went out to the rodeo last night, and y'all need to go watch that vlog if you haven't. But y'all, I was so tired. Then I came home and tried to edit and fell asleep while editing. Like, going crazy. But yeah, we're gonna start this little maintenance vlog. So I'm actually about to get ready, shower, and get my life together to look a mess. Then we're gonna be headed to our nail appointment at 1. And then I also have to check on my friend's dog. So we're gonna do that. So today I hope to do the nail appointment for sure, and maybe the wax. And tomorrow is my lash appointment, and then hopefully I can get a pedicure. So get that all done, and yeah, we're gonna see. But y'all just stay tuned and we'll see what happens for this maintenance vlog. And my feet hurt so bad. I'm putting on my lotion. I just finished getting ready, you know, earrings, necklace, top, jeans, that's it. But putting on my favorite lotion scent. But my feet hurt so bad, I'm so tempted to get the pedicure today, because I think it's from walking around at that rodeo all day in my boots. You know, and the boots got that little heel. Toe me up, baby. Toe me right on up. So I don't know. I really shouldn't though, because I don't want to just have my lash appointment tomorrow. I want to have something else. I'm a little scared about this wax, but whatever. Top. Yep. So I'm gonna eat my breakfast. You know, well, it's brunch. I'm gonna eat my brunch leftovers, and then I'm gonna head that way. And I'm also just gonna pack some stuff, because my friends are like, you can stay the whole day at their house and watch the dog. So I'm at least go watch the dog, stay there for some hours to finish my editing and whatnot, because I have to like take him out every few hours, and there's no point of going back there, back there, doing too much. So I'm gonna just pack some of my stuff so I can chill there. And yeah, so we're gonna just spend the day. But it's maintenance, it's not spend the day, but you know, I'm just telling y'all what I'm gonna be doing. But yeah, I'm gonna try to actually find like a wax spot by them, because they live in a little fancy area or whatever. So I feel like it'll be a nice salon out there, a little waxing place. So hopefully I do. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna get into this nail appointment. I'm so excited. Whew. Okay, y'all, I'm on the way to my appointment now. It's literally up the street, so. But I'm low-key still running late, which is crazy. But yeah, so I'm headed there, and I just packed all my stuff with me because I'm gonna go see the dog afterwards, like I said, because he needs someone to watch him. But I'm so excited, y'all. I'm not even gonna tell y'all about the set. Y'all just gonna have to see it when we get there and get done. appointment is done. Look, like they're short, but they're like designed, so they're super cute. I never got little charms, like a girl, and they're pink, of course. But now I'm about to head to what's the bug? I'm about to head out to go get the dog, or go dog sit the dog. So we'll see. Oh, excuse me. So we'll see what happens when we get there. But yeah. I'm not convinced. I'm so tired. I really want to sleep. I literally blow dry my hair. Y'all, and we're literally watching me. The hair. Period. Okay, y'all, so I am finished dog sitting. My boy, I just call him Coca-Cola. I forgot his name for real. But yeah, we went outside twice, fed him twice, went to the dog park twice, took naps, watched shows, watched me. We did all that. We had a great time. But now I'm gonna try to head to this wax parlor, y'all. I'm gonna get a little scared. I'm not getting a Brazilian, I'm not gonna lie, because I'm sorry, I can't do the whole like in my booty. Like that's really just, that's a lot. That's a lot. I can't do all that. So I think I'm gonna just go for like a full bikini or something like that. I don't know. We'll see. Cause like I do like, okay, this too much. Maybe I shouldn't talk about all that. Right? But no, it's cool, right? It's okay. Y'all talk about this stuff in the vlogs. Like I like an extended bikini. Don't have to be Brazilian, cause like that's just too much. But yeah, we're gonna head there and try it and see, y'all. We're gonna see. We're just gonna get there and go with the flow. And I'm gonna try to record as much as I can. Okay. Yeah, and I'm hungry, so I really need to get home. And it's late. Like it's 7:30. I'm trying to get home. Okay, but we're gonna go to the wax parlor first. Yo, I don't know what convinced me to do that. I really don't know. I really don't know, y'all. But no. First of all, then she tried to convince me into doing a butt strip. I'm like, no. She's talking about it don't hurt, babes. I don't even care about it hurting at this point. Just no. It was too much, y'all. Too much. But like, it really didn't hurt all the way. Okay, so I went there, and you know me thinking I know what I'm talking about. I'm like, oh yeah, bikini extended, because I'm like, yeah, that is what I like, babes. That, like, I made extended, but not that extended. Not that extended. No, babes. No, babes. That was like a full Brazilian, literally. Just a little bit more, but and we would have been the whole thing. But I wasn't mad. I tipped her, and I got half off because it's my first time, I guess. Or I don't know why I was half. I think it was because it's my first time, so I ain't mad. I ain't mad at it. I'll take the half off. But yeah, I probably won't be back though. I won't be back. So I'm gonna see you in 4 weeks. No, babes, no. But yeah, that's nails done. She complimented my nails. She told me her nails, which they were really cute, and wax. So check those two things out for maintenance. That's all we have for today's maintenance. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow when I head to my, well, I probably will get my toes. I don't know if I'm gonna get it done before or after, but I definitely will see y'all at my lash appointment tomorrow. And toes, I need my toes done bad. I need a pedicure bad. So definitely will see y'all then. That'll be the next couple clips, because that is it for today's maintenance. Okay, good morning for day 2 of maintenance. It is like 11 o'clock. I'm currently washing my lashes because y'all know today is my lash appointment, and I have been wearing mascara and a whole bunch of stuff, so I wanted to just wash them so I have no issues. And then we're about to head to Walmart to pick up my groceries. And y'all know I've been shopping at H-E-B and Aldi's. I was gonna say Waldi's. Aldi's, but babes, I'm doing Walmart because I want some more snacks this time. I don't know. My back is been getting big. I'm hungry. And no, y'all, I'm not a professional lash tech, but this is like a very simple little wash, okay? And I got it from one of my lash techs, and it don't burn at all. That's why I know I could do it. Clean eyes, period. So I just want to show y'all that because it's limited maintenance. I have a towel on. Y'all can't see. I got a towel. But yeah, so now I'm about to head out. I gotta do a grocery shop. Why did I leave my Stanley at my nail appointment? So I have to go back over there and pick that up. And I have to go check on the dog. And then we'll go to my lash appointment. But I'm not gonna show y'all of that. Y'all just probably see me like groceries because that's maintenance. Because girl gotta eat, gotta maintain it. And then lash appointment. So yeah, that's what we got for today. I don't know where I'm gonna fit in the pedicure, y'all. Cause I don't know. We're gonna see. We'll see about that. But it's gonna get done. Okay, I got my groceries. The dude just finished them. But they forgot my milk, so he went back in there to get it. Normally, they always forget something, but none of my items were substituted, so that's good. And he went back to get my milk, so it's so nice. So, yeah, once we get this, I'm going to head to back home to put my groceries up. And then we'll get into some more maintenance. But, yeah, so. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Man, you put the time on a rewind, yeah. Understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me when you call me, I come, but then you go again. With your death, yeah, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you are, you're begging and crying. Fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning, running away to the land of discovery, running away from the suffering I'm caught, yeah, running away from the darkness I'm out, yeah. I don't know the limits, going way beyond the noise and you feel things. When you speak, all I can hear is silence, turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm really right now from the side now, come on. Calm down when you see me, you know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. My lashes is still period. It was super fast, like one little nap. I swear it was one little nap and I was back up and then I was done. So lashes, nails, I took some pictures in the restaurant, but we pretty much finished. I just need to get my toes done and I finally make all these moves. But I really like a calm set, you know, like this is what it is for me. This eye is a little red, I'm not gonna lie, but once they calm down. Okay, y'all, so it's hot. It's real hot, and it's like hot but windy a little bit, but it's still hot. So I'm probably gonna get a snow cone, I think, because I've been craving one since that little heat went up, and because I look good. You know, I'm not ready to go home yet. You know, I want to ride around a little bit, but no. So I think I'm gonna go to the snow cone spot close to my school because this she's in a suite now. She used to be, I guess, at home, but she's in her suite now. And y'all, I just love when people be upgrading love that for y'all. Business is booming, girl. So it was nice in there, but she kept asking me, like, I would flinch a little bit, or like when my eyes was open, and I'll flinch a little bit. She was like, oh, you want to record? Yes, girl. I'm trying to pull my camera out. I don't be trying to be in their way. Okay, y'all. So I'm back. This is like day 3 of maintenance, I think. Yeah, we're on day 3 because why did I get sick yesterday? So I got sick and I just had to spend the whole day in the house. And I live in Houston, y'all. Why was it 80 degrees but it was hailing? It was like really bad weather. How does it hail and it's 80 degrees? Ooh, the police behind me. But that don't make any sense. Like, I don't know. But I'm still a little sick. But we headed to go, dude. We're headed to the Secret Escape nail salon, something like that. We're gonna go get a pedicure, y'all, because woo, the dogs is barking.
Use the left 2 lanes to take
girl, hush. I know where I'm going. Go, bro. Okay, anyways, we're gonna see. I want to get there because people don't know how to drive, but nothing. Okay, besties, that is pretty much the end of this maintenance vlog. We got nails, lashes, toes, all that, my little wax. Lord, that wax experience. I'm not even gonna talk about that too much because, oh my gosh. But yes, we are done. I enjoyed this little bit. I've been wanting maintenance so bad, but like I was in hustle mode. I was in grind mode, and I was working out every day, so it was no point in like doing it. It was just no point. So I'm so excited. I love these nails. Make sure y'all go follow me on Instagram so y'all can watch all the reels, the behind the scenes, all of that. And make sure y'all go book with my people because what? If you're in Houston, you need to go. Like use all the spots, all the ads I'm giving y'all because I be putting y'all on for sure. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I can't wait for another maintenance vlog and I have so much more coming for spring break. So make sure y'all go watch. Okay, bye besties. See y'all on the next one. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.